Good morning, everybody. A warm welcome to everybody that's here. Welcome to the opening bell. It is an absolute pleasure being with you here. Ashley Reeve, before we do get started, please remember the information that we discuss in this video is opinion and should not be construed as advice in any way. All right, everybody, let's get cracking with today's session. We are ahead of the NFP that will be coming out tomorrow. It's going to be important for us to actually check this one out, guys. We had a brief government shutdown last week, and we've obviously reopened, delaying the NFP results to obviously a couple of days later. It's a big test because tomorrow the government gives the economy what we call a report card. It's called the NFP, as you guys know. It's just a fancy name for counting how many people got a new job. All right. And what's important about tomorrow is 70,000 jobs is the figure. This is what experts expect. It means the economy is growing slowly and safely. There's no panic, and the prices stay mostly the same. However, there is 120,000 plus jobs. That would mean that the economy is too hot. This sounds good, but it actually scares a lot of people because it means the economy is moving too fast, which makes things like groceries and gas get too expensive. That just basically says inflation is beginning to go up again. And that's going to be important for us because remember what the US wants right now, or at least Trump, is for the interest rate cuts to come in. And so if inflation gets higher with more jobs, that's going to mean that rates need to be hiked. So I don't think we're going to get a massive push based on what the economic condition is at the moment. All right. What's also important for us to look at, guys, we should not forget that there are other factors that also contribute. We're seeing that gold is still very bullish over here, guys. You can see even on the monthly frame here, we had a brief pullback and we're back up to the $5,000 per ounce. We had mentioned even yesterday that we are pushing well above that area. And so we also want to see that, the price pushes all the way up after going above the 506.2. Yesterday, the surge was there. Price did push up very nicely, increased about 1.94%, almost 2% if you round it off. We're going to see today. Needless to say, guys, this can change at any time. We could have a totally different structure tomorrow. So we're going to have to wait and see how the US also opens this afternoon. The Euro USD also came back, recovered. You can see with yesterday's big push to the upside. We're waiting for the 1.19, 108 right there to show us some form of continuation, because at this point in time, if you look at the structure, this is a new low. That's a lower high right now. So we want to see a continuation here, which we are anticipating, though. We are anticipating price to continue to the upside. It is a little bit flat, though. I'll be very frank with you guys. It's very flat at this point in time. It is really struggling to continue. Hence, I'm saying we need some more follow through in that specific way. All right. And then obviously we're looking at the NAS 100 here. It looks like we could get a correction today back down. And if all plays well, it simply means that, if the dollar does weaken, we're going to see the NAS push up tomorrow. If the dollar strengthens, the NAS will continue to push to the downside. Now, the overall sentiment here is this is bullish. Price has just paused at this resistance area here for quite some time. You can see it right there. Absolute pause there at this point in time. So we're going to wait and see. Even on the daily, the monthly look here, we actually just at an equilibrium when you look at this resistance over there and you look at the support. Price is just traveling in between. There's no direction, so to speak, at this point in time. And I'm referring to short term. All right, guys, short term. I'm not referring to medium to long term here. Long term, we're still bullish, absolutely. So here we're looking to see if we're going to go back up and touch that resistance, that high, or we're going to come back down to come and retest this area here. Right now, we are just stuck in the mud. So this is leading up to the NFP. Nothing different here from what we do know. When the CPI or the NFP gets released, or a couple of days before, a day or two, we tend to see the same patterns. Price just kind of hangs around. There is a big anticipation for tomorrow, obviously, because of the government shutdown. So many guys are expecting quite a bit of movement tomorrow. But join us via YouTube tomorrow. Myself and T will be doing the NFP live stream at 3:30. We will be coming on a little bit earlier, obviously, to engage you guys and make sure that you guys are up to date with the charts. But we will be trading that at 3:30. So we'll be on YouTube tomorrow afternoon. All right. We'll see you guys there. Have a fantastic one. Remember, if you'd like to open up an account with us, don't forget, visit www.tdmarkets.com. You can also email us at care@tdmarkets.com. It's Ashley Reeve, guys, and I'm signing out. Ciao, ciao.